Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. On today's video, I'll be teaching you how to grow your YouTube channel fast in 2025 without no stress. Have you been wondering why you keep uploading video every day and your video keep getting low views without no reason? Because number one, the YouTube algorithm have not recognized what especially you're doing on the channel. And also, choosing a niche for yourself is kind of hard, most especially when you're just starting up a new channel, because you have to just sit down asking ChatGPT different questions on how to start a YouTube channel. Starting to choose a niche for yourself, it's kind of hard in most cases. So on this video, I'll be telling you the features that you have to follow or turn on your channel before uploading your video. Most especially, a lot of people uploading their video using the mobile app. You don't have any issue uploading the video using the mobile app. I have different strategy that I will teach you on how to upload your video and how to make sure you escape being shadow banned on YouTube. And also the YouTube algorithm will just recognize your video immediately. These features are being added to your account or your YouTube. So, hello guys, just make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like and also drop a comment whatever you feel about this video, and also make sure you stay active and keep watching most of my videos and learn how to grow your YouTube account without no stress, and also teaching you how to edit your video stress-free without you not having any issue or getting shadow banned on your account. So on this video, I'll be showing you the strategy that you have to follow by uploading your video immediately your video has been ready. You wanted to upload the video on your channel. Those are the steps that you have to take. By taking this step, your video will go viral. Trust me, in less than 24 hours, your video will be recognized by the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm will let you know that this is what people wanted to watch. So let's dive into this video. This is my YouTube account. And also, before you start uploading video after your video has been ready on your channel, just make sure that you head to studio.youtube.com, because this is the place that you have to, upload your contents without not having any issue. So I'll be teaching you all the things that you have to do. And also, maybe you use the mobile app to upload your video. You don't have any problem with that. But immediately after uploading the video with the mobile app, there are some settings that you need to turn on. But the YouTube app don't have that features to turn it on or to get it set up. That is why I said to start uploading your video, make sure you use studio.youtube.com, because this place you'll be adding different features that will make your video go viral. Because on the YouTube app, you don't have those features. So that is the only problem we're having. Because if you try to upload the video using the mobile app, there are some certain features that you wanted to turn on or apply, which the YouTube app don't have. So now I'll be teaching you how to upload the video on your youtubestudio.com on the website. So head over to your Chrome and search for studio.youtube.com, and also click on this create. Click on this sign of create, then click on it, then you click on upload. Make sure we have different features there. We have our new podcasts, new playlists, create posts, go live. So maybe you wanted to post, you wanted to go live, you can also go live using the website. And also if you wanted to create a post, you can create a post. So uploading video should be the next option you are to choose. Just click on the upload video, then you see select files. On this page, you have to select the files that you wanted to upload. Maybe your video has been ready, just head over. You can also do this using your smartphone, though I'm using my my system because it shows the entire pages, so you can see it very well. Using your mobile phone also will be a little bit tiny, so that is why I prefer using my system. You can also use your phone to upload this video through your website. You can just head over to your Chrome, search for studio.youtube.com, then you log in your account and head over to create a post, then click on it, upload video, then you click on select file. This is where you are to bring in your video that you wanted to upload. So now maybe I wanted to upload this video, then you click on it. Though I'm not uploading any video here, so just let's try check a video that I can just upload, maybe that I just recorded and I wanted to post it on my channel. So like this, let me choose this video, a minute. I'm just trying to check the video that I can upload, so that I can upload on the channel. Okay, let's click on this. Immediately you click on this, you can double click or you click on open. Let's double click it. Now you can see the video is loading. So immediately the video load, the video has been automatically started uploading to the channel. So uploading video. So this place details. Okay, we have details here. Maybe the title. You wanted to give it the title. This is where you have to put the title. Just click okay. How to grow my channel. So okay, so immediately you get that done, then you scroll down here, then you put your description. Very easy and stress-free. The video is already uploading. Then here you upload your thumbnail. Once it's ready. And also maybe you wanted to, playlists also help a lot when you upload your video and group it into a certain playlist that you have already been created, that has already been created. Playlists also boost push your videos out, because a lot of viewers, after watching the certain video, they will want to watch more videos on your channel. So just scroll down here. That's why I said you have to use the studio.youtube.com, because there are some certain things that you can do on the app. By using the YouTube Studio, you have access to do all this. So then click on more. Then we have, okay, maybe you have the video is all about paid promotion. You can click on, you can just tick the box paid promotion. And also, so altered content. If it is not altered content, don't turn anything on here. So what do you have to do here? Just make sure you allow this automatically placement and automatically allow automatic concepts and tags. Here you have to also put your tags. On the YouTube app, you can add your tags. Only the hashtag, you can only add the hashtags, but grouping the particular video and adding hashtag, you have a space on the studio.youtube.com app website to add your hashtag. Then you add your hashtag, about 500 more hashtag. And also you can also maybe video location. You wanted to add a video location to your video. Adding a video location to your video also boosts your video and also push your video to a particular region that you want people to be watching the video. Maybe like I wanted to upload this video to USA. All I need to just do is just search for United States, and after doing that, USA, United States, just click on it. Then this particular video will be uploaded, and the YouTube algorithm will push it to the exact location that has already been there. So studio license, so that is the reason why I said uploading your video using the app is not a bad thing. But after uploading it, just head over to studio.youtube.com or the studio app to get some settings done, thus for your video to go out and get more views and earn you enough money. So allow video and audio remixing, that one is also good. Then you choose the category of the video. Then choose the category. If the video is only meant for how to, or music, gaming, film, animation, entertainment, comedy, auto vehicle, maybe the video is all about driving or comedy, education, entertainment, just choose exact category that you want this video to be grouped to, so that the YouTube algorithm will know the people they are to push your video to, not you just uploading the video anyhow. So this is how to, so it's already there. Then moderation, just keep it on basic or none, anyone you just want. Maybe you want the comment to be moderated, or no, you don't want it to be uploaded. You can see the video is already uploading. So all you need to do is to just, after you are done with this, click on next. Click on next. Then here you have to choose whether you want it to be monetized or not. Then click on monetize, then click on done. Then the next thing you need to do, you can see you have on the monetization, then you click on next. Then here You don't need anything. You don't need to touch anything here because you don't have any business here. All you need to do is just ignore this page and also click on next. Or okay, does your video contents description or keyword contain any of the following? Just click on none of the above, then you click on next. So after clicking on next, you to the next this thing. Okay, submitting rating and also video for ads. They are rating this particular. So before you can also complete those settings, you have to just give it submit rating. After you submit the rating, they have to check if this video is safe to add ads, because this to place the ads on your video. So after that, click on next. Then this. Okay, maybe you want to add an end screen. You just need to just click on add. Maybe you know, if you're watching some video, immediately before the video ends, it will pop up to video or a place where you are to click to the next video. So this is where you have to add that. This is where they add that. Just click on add. If you want to add any video, they will show it, the end screen. They will show you different videos that are already on your channel that you wanted to put on the end screen. Maybe immediately after the viewers watch the video and they wanted to next to your next video to watch more video on your channel. So that is that. This chart changes. Then you click on next. You click on next. Then you click on this is the main place we are going. Don't upload your video. Don't click on public immediately you upload your video. It is very, very bad when you upload your video and you click on public. Don't public your video immediately. You have to put it on unlisted or private. That means putting it on private, putting your video on private or unlisted, that means you are giving YouTube algorithm to, you know, check the video if the video don't have any copyright issue strike or any issue on the video. Maybe immediately you upload the video, don't put it on public, just put it on private, and the YouTube algorithm will check the video, or the YouTube team will check the video and make sure the video did not have any copyrights or any issue. So doing that after some hours, 2, 3, 4 hours, then you can return it back to the public. That means you have give YouTube enough time to review your video. That means your video did not have any issue. So you are now free to publish the video to public so that your viewers will be able to watch the video, and the YouTube algorithm by itself will share and publish the video to a larger audience where you can start earning views and earn money with the video. So after that, let's put it on private, then schedule, or you wanted to schedule the video, you don't want it to upload immediately, you have a certain days or certain particular days in a week that you normally use to upload your video. You can just put it on schedule, then that's all. And after that, just put it on schedule. If you don't want it to be scheduled, then don't schedule it. Just come over here and put it on public. So you don't need to schedule anything since you don't want to schedule. So just click here and also click on save. Then after save, the video will be uploaded. Immediately the video upload to your channel, it won't be published not until the YouTube team has to review the video. Don't put it in public, put it in private or unlisted. Only the people you share the link can watch the video, but you don't need to share any link because it affects YouTube algorithm sometimes by sharing your video to different platforms for watch. All you need to do is to just calm down. After 2, 3, 4 hours, then you can put your video on public. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also comment down below what you feel about this tutorial, and also make sure you drop a comment and like this video and share to your friends. Maybe they wanted to start a YouTube channel, because you can start today, it's not yet late. Hit the subscribe button, share this video to your friends, comment down below. See you in my next lesson, and don't go yet, because If you want to learn everything on this channel, and I'm here and you want me to work on any video for you, just drop it under the comment section. See you in my next lesson. Bye for now.